Welcome to our YouTube video on how to prevent microphone access on Telegram. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to ensure that the Telegram app on your Android device does not have access to your microphone. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, navigate to Applications and search for the Telegram application. Once you have located Telegram in the list of applications, tap on it to open the app settings. Within the Telegram app settings, scroll down and tap on Permissions. Here, you will see a list of permissions that the app has access to, including the microphone. Tap on the microphone option to modify its permissions. To prevent the Telegram app from accessing your microphone, simply select the option that says Don't Allow. This will disable the microphone access for the Telegram app, ensuring that it cannot listen to your conversations or record audio without your consent. By following these simple steps, you can protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized access to your microphone on Telegram. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips on our channel.